Timeless Concepts from Physics Helpline. This is a video tutorial series through which we will sharpen our problem solving skill. In this video tutorial, we will discuss a multiple choice question with only one correct option on series parallel network of resistors obtained from a resistance wire. The question is as follows. A wire of resistance R is bent to form a square ABCD as shown in the figure. If E is the midpoint of CD, then the equivalent resistance between the points E and C is. The options are R by 16, 7R by 64, 3R by 4 and R. Now for the answer. The situation is shown in the figure. Resistance of the given wire is equal to R. We are required to find the equivalent resistance between the points E and C. Hence, we have connected the conducting wires at E and C. Now, resistance of AB plus resistance of BC plus resistance of CD plus resistance of DA is equal to R. We know that these resistances are equal, which implies that each of these is equal to R by 4. Also, E is the midpoint of CD, therefore resistance of CE is equal to resistance of ED is equal to R by 8. The figure shows how a series parallel network can be obtained from the given square wire. Let the resistance between the points E and C is equal to R dash. We are required to find the value of R dash. Now R dash is equal to the parallel combination of resistance along EC and resistance along EDABC. From equation 1, we have resistance along EC is REC is equal to R by 8 and resistance along EDABC is equal to the series combination of resistances of ED, DA, AB and BC. Therefore, REDABC is equal to RED plus RDA plus RAB plus RBC, which is equal to 7R by 8. Since R dash is the equivalent resistance of the parallel combination of REC and REDABC, we have 1 by R dash is equal to 1 by REC plus 1 by REDABC, which is equal to 8 by R plus 8 by 7R, which is equal to 64 by 7R, which gives R dash is equal to 7R by 64, which is the answer to the question. Therefore, the correct option is B. This completes the answer to the question. Thanks for watching. If the video is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe.